Welcome back, data pioneers. After exploring smart system implementation last week, we're now diving into what many consider the heart of modern affiliate marketing: data-driven decision-making. Today's lecture will transform how you think about data and its role in affiliate success. The reality of modern decision-making. Let me start with a striking example. Last week, an AI affiliate system made a counterintuitive decision to increase commission rates during a typically slow period. The human managers almost overrode it. The result? A 475% increase in sales. The AI had detected a pattern invisible to human analysts. Today's focus: understanding data hierarchy, real-time analytics systems, predictive modeling, decision automation, performance optimization. The data hierarchy. Let's break down the types of data that drive affiliate decisions. Primary data, user behavior metrics. Transaction data, click-through rates. Conversion metrics, commission performance. Secondary data, market trends, competitor actions, economic indicators, seasonal patterns. Industry benchmarks, derived data, predictive models, risk assessments, performance forecasts, optimization opportunities, strategic insight, real-time analytics systems. Modern affiliate marketing demands real-time decision-making. Here's what this means in practice. 1. Speed requirements, sub-second data processing, instant decision-making, real-time optimization, immediate adaptation, continuous monitoring. 2. Processing capabilities, stream processing complex event, handling pattern recognition, anomaly detection, predictive modeling. 3. Action implementation, automated responses, dynamic adjustments, instant optimization, real-time testing, performance tracking, predictive modeling. This is where AI truly shines in decision-making. 1. Customer behavior models, purchase likelihood, lifetime value, churn probability, engagement patterns, response prediction. 2. Market trend models, demand forecasting, price sensitivity, competition analysis, opportunity identification, risk assessment. Performance models, ROI prediction, resource optimization, cost forecasting, revenue projection, growth modeling, decision automation. The key to scaling is automated decision-making. 1. Rule-based decisions, basic optimizations, simple adjustments, standard responses, regular updates, routine maintenance. 2. AI-driven decisions, complex optimizations, advanced adjustments, intelligent responses, dynamic updates, strategic changes. 3. Hybrid decision systems, combined intelligence, enhanced accuracy, balanced approach, optimal results, maximum efficiency, performance optimization, continuous improvement through data. 1. Campaign optimization, content performance, channel efficiency, audience targeting, timing optimization, budget allocation. 2. Commission optimization, rate adjustment, structure improvement, incentive alignment, performance enhancement, cost efficiency. 3. Resource optimization, time management, budget allocation, asset utilization, team efficiency, technology use, implementation framework. Here's your practical guide to implementation. Phase 1. Data foundation. Collection systems, processing infrastructure, storage solutions, analysis tools, reporting systems. Phase 2. Analytics integration, real-time processing, predictive modeling, pattern recognition, decision automation, performance tracking. Phase 3. Optimization, system refinement, model improvement, process enhancement, performance optimization, continuous learning. Common challenges. Let's address typical obstacles. 1. Data quality issues, incomplete data, inaccurate information, inconsistent formats, integration problems, time lag issues. 2. Processing challenges, speed limitations, resource constraints, scale problems, integration difficulties, technical issues. 3. Implementation problems, resistance to change, skill gaps, resource limitations, process conflicts, cultural barriers. Success metrics, how to measure effectiveness. 1. Technical metrics, processing speed, decision accuracy, System reliability, data quality, integration efficiency. 2. Business metrics. Revenue growth, cost reduction, ROI improvement, market share, customer satisfaction. 3. Operational metrics, process efficiency, resource utilization, time savings, error reduction, quality improvement, future considerations, preparing for tomorrow's challenges. 1. Technology evolution, advanced AI, quantum computing, enhanced analytics, improved automation, better integration. 2. Market changes, new competitors, changing regulations, customer expectations, technology advances, industry evolution. 3. Strategic adaptation, business model updates, process improvements, technology upgrades, skill enhancement, cultural evolution, practical exercise. For next week, audit your current decision processes, identify automation opportunities, map data requirements, plan implementation steps. Looking ahead. Next week's focus: content generation and optimization, content creation, personalization systems, performance tracking, continuous improvement. Remember, data-driven decision-making isn't just about having data, it's about using it effectively to drive results. Questions to consider. How automated are your current decisions? What data are you missing? Where could AI improve your process? What's your biggest decision-making challenge? This concludes Lecture 4. Next week, we'll explore how AI transforms content creation and optimization. Bring your data audit results and questions.